Well, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well today. I'm Taffany. Welcome into the garden. This is Tika's Gardens. And this morning I am going to be planting some violas. I'm out a little early this morning so I can get things done before the neighborhood gets busy, like flying lessons. But I'm going to be planting them along the foundation beds, in the front of the foundation beds. I'll show you where we'll be planting them when we head up front, but let me show you the violas I have. All right. Are these not very, very pretty? Originally I had all white, but I decided to mix them with some yellow. I thought about doing something else and maybe red for the holiday, but I like cheerful colors, and the holiday is only one day, and I want to see some bright, cheerful colors through the cold days as they start coming in. So I'm going to get these planted in the front garden, and then we'll see if there's anything else to get done before I call it quits for the day. But let's get these planted. So let's head out to the front. All right, everyone, I have all of the violas in, so let me show you what everything looks like. All right, I am starting on this corner here. As you can see, this corner is coming along well. I've got the Mexican heather with white vinca and orange fulva lilies behind it, basically daylilies. But what I want you to notice from this distance are the yellow and white violas, and I think it was a perfect match to the white vincas, which I know will die out once the cold hits, but the violas will last me until probably April. And the yellow and white matches the various lantana here in this bed and the other circle bed. But let's take a look at it from the front. Does that not look so good? And it's just a perfect pop of color. Oh, I love it. And as we head over to this side, you can see the yellow and white kind of sticking up. You can see I've got the yellow lantanas and the creamy light yellow white kind of banana lantanas there. So this matches that. And the lantanas will pretty much kind of last until we really get cold weather. And of course here we've got more Mexican heather, and I will plant something behind it when the spring comes. So there's not much out to choose right now, and I haven't decided what I want. But here's a look at this from this angle. This looks so good. Nice cheerful color. I love it. Nice cheerful color in this bed, and the pink begonias are looking good right there. But I want you to look at how rich in color these begonias look up here. It's like they struggled during the summer, but they look so good now. Look at that, mixed with that yellow. And these the same. That pink in between the yellow, that just looks so good. Color is so rich. And some of the pink salvia that I brought up here, some of the little seedlings that dropped, as you can see, they're surviving. They're doing good. But what's not doing good are two azaleas. This side gets more sun than the other side. And the two over there are doing good, but the two on this side are gone. They've been fertilized the same, they've been watered the same, nothing's different other than the amount of sun. So that's the only thing I can think of that is the cause. You can see these are doing pretty good. Getting new leaves, you can see the lighter color, which are new leaves, and it's thickening up. So I don't know what's going on, what happened with the others other than the difference in sun. But that is kind of a quick look at the front garden and the violas that I have put in. I am so pleased with how things have come along. All right, guys, well, that is going to be it for this morning. I hope you enjoyed planting these violas with me and taking a quick look at how things are progressing in the front garden. Get out, do something you love today. If the weather isn't bad where you are, get out and do some planting or something in your garden. But anyway, thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!